If you're looking to store or pump fuel up to 1,000 litres, then the BLOC 1000 tank is the best solution for you. And if you stick around for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about the benefits it can bring to your business. So, first and foremost, self-bunded tank solution. So what does that mean? It is a tank within a tank. We have an inner primary tank, which stores the fuel, the product itself, and that is actually made from 5mm mild steel. And then we have a void, or what they call an interstitial space. And then outside of that, we have our secondary and outer containment tank. And that is made of 3mm mild steel. And this is secondary tank is what you can actually see here on the outside. So one of the big features of the BLOC 1000 tank is the curved rooftop, which allows for the clean and effective drainage of water off the top of the tank. Just adds to the longevity of the tank overall. We have a manway here at the top of the tank where you're able to put a variety of pump packages or pumping solutions that'll suit your applications. Within that pump bay, we have various fill points. We have gauging points so you can check the safe fill level of your tank at every stage. We have a multitude of suction and return ports. This pump bay also acts as a manway and can be removed out of the tank for access into the inner primary tank. So there may be times where you have the need to get inside the primary tank for inspection purposes, or maybe there's a fault, there's a blockage. Another big issue for our customers is all about fuel security. And with that in mind, we've designed a heavy duty lockable lid that once closed can store safely all your pumping equipment and access to the fuel itself. Okay, we have sectional cutout points around the pump bay. You may have pipe work, you may have hose work that will need to come into the pump bay. They're able to do that with these various slots. And then what that also means is when you actually close this heavy duty lockable lid, no pipe work, no hose work or anything will be crimped in the process. All our tanks are supplied with vent stacks that you will see on the side of the tank. These vent pipes connect into vent ports into the primary tank itself, depending on the type of product that you want to store. Now, of course, another aspect of the tank is what you can't see, what's going on inside. So all our BLOC tanks are baffled internally. So that helps with the tank being full and being moved. We reduce that movement of the product within the tank itself. So that's a really good feature to consider. Now, if we move to the outside of the tank, you can see we have a corrugated wall construction. We have vertical uprights here. At the top of those vertical uprights, we've got certified lifting points. It enables you to be able to move the tank around a site, either full of product or empty. Equally, we have forklift points, same sort of idea. It's all about being able to transport the tank as simple as possible. And of course, it's all about durability. If you're going to buy a fuel storage tank, you want it to be able to last. So all our tanks come with a 250 to 300 micron finish, which ensures longevity in the field. It's as simple as that. All tanks are supplied white, but equally we can do paint variations or options to suit your requirements. All tanks are supplied with statutory compliance, labeling and safety regulation signage, so there won't be any issues in the field, as well as identifying the tank being combustible flammables. One of the things we're very proud of is our tanks comply to Australian standards. We have two standards, AS 1692 Cat 3 and also AS standards 1940. And those two standards cover effectively the build and the safe storage and handling of flammable and combustible liquids. So you can rest assured that there are no issues with you storing your product on site. Okay, so we've talked about all these features, but what does that actually mean to you? What does it benefit you as a customer who's looking to actually find a fuel storage tank solution? What this gives you is very much a mobile and modular design solution. No earthworks, minimal construction on site. We very much offer a design and drop solution. Should you want any sort of pumping package, our distributors within Australia are able to build a pumping or fuel management solution for you within their business. The tank is then delivered to site. It's very much a plug and play commissioning process, very quick, very easy to implement, And of course, you want peace of mind, and we deliver that peace of mind through warranties. So every BLOC tank comes with a 10-year structural warranty in terms of the integrity of the tank itself. As well as that, we offer 24-month paint warranties and 24-month manufacturer standard warranties as well. If you'd like more information on our specifications or anything else in particular, don't hesitate to look at the website. We've got all the information there. Equally, get in touch, leave us your details. We'll pick up the conversation and forward your details onto our distributors, with who are all over Australia, and they'll be able to come up with a solution that's best for you.